Ever wondered what the journey of democracy looks like in Zimbabwe? The chronicles of the recent by-elections might just provide you with a glimpse into this evolving landscape. In the year 2022, the Citizens Coalition for Change, Zimbabwe's leading opposition party, made a significant mark by winning 19 out of 28 National Assembly seats in the by-elections. This victory challenged the long-standing rule of Zimbabwe African National Union Patriotic Front, or ZANU-PF, which had held power since 1980. Although ZANU-PF still held a parliamentary majority, this development was noted as a stride towards the opposition's objective of ending ZANU-PF's reign. Fast forward to 2023, and the political landscape was ripe with anticipation for the upcoming presidential election. Opposition leader Nelson Chamisa faced an uphill battle in his bid to unseat President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Despite the challenges of limited resources, lack of government funding, and intimidation tactics by the ruling party, CHAMISA's campaign focused on addressing the struggling economy and high unemployment rates, promising to create jobs if elected. However, the election did not yield the desired results for the opposition. Emmerson Mnangagwa was declared the winner, sparking fears of continued economic hardship for the country. Despite hopes for economic improvement, many Zimbabweans remained skeptical about the prospects for change under Mnangagwa's leadership. Fast forward yet again to the 2024 by-elections held on April 27th. This time, ZANU-PF increased its representation in the National Assembly. Their candidates, George Mashavav and Kivin Mutimbanyoka, won the Mount Pleasant and Harare East by-elections, filling the vacancies created by the resignations of Fadzai Mahere and Alan Markham from the opposition Citizens Coalition for Change. In a nutshell, the journey of democracy in Zimbabwe has been fraught with challenges, victories, and disappointments. The recent by-elections have shown that the political landscape is constantly shifting, with the ruling party and the opposition both vying for power and influence. However, amid all the political maneuvering, the aspirations and concerns of the Zimbabwean people remain at the forefront, shaping the course of the country's democracy. The story of Zimbabwe's elections is a testament to the evolving nature of politics and the relentless pursuit of change.